All right, guys, so now we're gonna add everything. We're not cutting up nothing. We clean them. We just allowing everything to boil. The basil, the thyme, the okra, everything to boil together. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, so as you can see, the okra mash up, the tomato mash up. So you see, there's no worries whether you cut them, yes or no. Everything's still gonna mash up. So this is what we're dealing with right now. So this is basically how I want it. I want it very soupy. Okay? So this is what's going on, and this is finished.